Are we heading towards a robot apocalypse or just a cleaner cheeseburger? Businesses across the globe are accelerating automation. This isn't new. It's an extension of what Henry Ford did with the assembly line. Faster production, higher quality, and lower costs. But what does that mean for students sitting in our classrooms today? Here's the reality. The jobs of 5 or 10 years from now don't exist yet. Entry-level positions, the ones many students start with, like flipping burgers, are disappearing. Why? Because robots make sense for business. They don't need sleep, they don't need benefits, they deliver consistent quality and improve sanitation. Customers like that too. Correct orders every time, no waiting, no mistakes. Sounds great until we consider the human impact. If these jobs vanish, where will students develop the foundational skills they once gained in the workforce? The answer? School. When I was in high school 20 years ago, one of the most important things that I was taught by my teachers was how to use the internet and use it correctly. 5 to 10 years from now, the primary focus of education won't just be reading, writing, and arithmetic. Those remain important, but the real difference makers will be social, emotional, and adaptive skills. Empathy, collaboration, communication, and problem solving. The ability to understand another person's needs and work towards shared goals will be the new currency of success. And then there's AI. Tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Siri are learning every time we interact with them. They can act like tutors, explain complex problems, and generate high-quality writing. For students, that means instant shortcuts. For educators, that means new challenges and new opportunities. We can use AI to help us create lessons that are more challenging and engaging, lessons that will equip students with lifelong skills they'll need for success beyond the classroom. So what do we do now? First, we need to experiment with AI ourselves, learn its strengths, weaknesses, and limits. Second, we need to model responsible use. This was so important when I was a student to see adults that I respected and trusted using the internet in an appropriate way to provide them with the tools they needed to approach the situation or problem that faced them. We need to teach students how to leverage AI as a tool, not a crutch. Third, we need to shift instruction towards skills only humans can master. Creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence. These are things that AI is going to struggle to replicate. AI is here, and it's not going away. It's going to get better. People once said the internet would end education. It didn't. 20 years later, we're still here because we adapted. So here's a new twist on an old classic. 2 roads diverge. One leads to fear of a robot apocalypse. The other, a world where students thrive while enjoying a perfectly hygienic burger. Which path will we take? Thanks for watching.